Hi everyone. So welcome. Here we'll see the preparation strategy for GATE and IES people. Okay, subject is structural analysis. Okay, so here I'm going to discuss what are the syllabus we have in GATE and ESE. Okay, and what are the important topics. It means on which topic we have to concentrate more. Okay, so here first I'll give the syllabus. What are the topics we have? Okay, in GATE and IES. If you see GATE syllabus and IES syllabus, both syllabus are same for this subject, structural analysis. Okay, right. So here I'll write the GATE and IES syllabus chapter wise. Okay. Right. So first chapter, introduction. Second chapter, static indeterminacy. Third chapter is analysis of determinate trusses. Fourth chapter, rolling loads and influence lines. Fifth chapter, energy principles. Sixth chapter, kinematic indeterminacy. Seventh chapter is basics methods of structural analysis. Okay. Eighth chapter, MDM. What is MDM? Moment distribution method. Ninth chapter, slope deflection method, SDM. And 10th chapter is plastic theory. 11th, matrix method, and last one is arches and cables. Okay, yeah, I'll discuss. Okay, Shailaja, so how many marks it can accommodate in GATE 2024, we'll discuss. Okay, so first this is the syllabus. Okay, so for GATE and IS people, syllabus is same only. And in engineering service, IS, there's one extra topic is there. Okay, that is structural dynamics. That is, we separated that completely. That is a separate chapter only for IS people, structural dynamics. Okay, that is a separate subject. Okay, then rest of things are same for GATE and IS. Okay, right. Now here, so these are the chapters we have. And what is the weightage for GATE and IES? Okay, so students, if you see the previous GATE question paper, okay, for GATE, from this subject, 5 to 7 marks. Okay, for GATE 5 to 7 marks. Then for Engg service examination, okay, and it is divided two type. One is prelims, another one is mains. Okay, if you see the prelims, okay, and this is a very, very important subject for Engg service. Okay, so for prelims you can expect 8 to 10 questions. Okay, 8 to 10 questions from this subject, prelims. And mains 60 to 80 marks. Okay, so these are the weightage. Is it okay, Shailaja? Right. Okay, now we'll see for GATE. Okay, for GATE, what are the important topics? Okay, right, we'll see first what are the important chapters for GATE. So these are the chapters I given, right? Okay, so first here I'll discuss for GATE, only for GATE first here. Then later we'll discuss for Engg service examination. Okay, so for GATE, students concentrate more. Just I am writing G here. G means GATE, for GATE. Okay, and analysis of determinate trusses, rolling loads, energy principles, moment distribution method, and here cables. Okay, and these are the very, very important chapter. In GATE you will see 2 marks question, 1 mark questions, right? Okay, so 2 marks questions you can expect from these chapters only. Okay, so these are the very, very important chapters. I'm not saying other chapters are not important. Other chapters also important, but you have to focus more on these chapters. Maximum you will get the marks from these chapters only. Okay, then after this, okay, and next important is static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy. So possibility of asking 1 mark question from static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy chapter. Okay, and students, this plastic theory actually is not the structural analysis subject, it is the design of steel structure subject. But this is the analysis part, that is the reason we explained in structural analysis subject only, plastic theory. Okay, actually this is the design of steel structure. If you see the GATE and IES syllabus, structural analysis, this chapter not in structural analysis, it is in design of steel structure. Okay, right. Then next, sir, these are the important chapters. Okay, then on which topic we have to focus more? Now we'll discuss. Okay, so first, if you see the analysis of determinate trusses. Okay, students, you will see 2 marks question and 1 mark question, but students concentrate completely numerical questions. Okay, so there is a less possibility of asking theory questions from this subject in GATE exam. Okay, so 99% numerical questions only. Very rarely will ask one theory question, that is for 5 years, 10 years, like that. Okay, but if you see the question papers, previous question paper, no theory questions, completely numerical questions only. Okay, and those theory questions are very basic questions only. So concentrate more on numerical questions who are preparing for exclusively for GATE. Okay, I'm not talking about here IES, I'm talking about only GATE present. Okay, right. Then next, so if you see analysis of determinate trusses, so only one topic is there here, how to find the forces in the members. Okay, how to find the forces in the members. I explained two methods. I given two methods, right? One is method of joint, another one is method of section, and I given shortcuts also. Okay, so in examination, first we prefer shortcuts because we have to save the time, right, in examination. If shortcuts are not possible, then next we have to give the priority for method of section. And last priority, method of joint. When we have to use method of joint? If method of section, if it is not possible, then we'll prefer method of joint. Okay, because to find the force in few members, we'll use method of section. Okay, to find the force in all the members, we'll prefer method of joint. So this is the objective question. Examiner won't ask find the force in all the members. He will ask you to find the force only in one member or 2-3 members only, not in all the members. So this is the reason always will prefer method of section, because compared to method of joint, method of section will take less time. And method of joint also we can prefer, but to find the force in internal members, method of joint will take more time to find the force in internal member. So this is the reason. So without confusion, simply first try shortcut, and if shortcut is not possible, next method of section. If method of section also not possible, then we prefer method of joint. Okay, so in this chapter only one topic is there, how to analyze the trusses, that is how to find the force in truss members. Okay, and there is one more possibility of asking question. It will give the indeterminate truss. Okay, indeterminate truss, and it will ask you to identify the number of zero force members. Okay, it will give indeterminate truss and find the number of zero force members. For that also I given shortcut. Simply use the shortcut, because if you want to analyze the indeterminate trusses, we have to use unit load method, right? But it will take more time. It is a conventional question. But there I given one shortcut, how to identify the zero force members for indeterminate trusses also. Okay, so only one question, one topic here, how to find the force in the members. Okay, then next, and in rolling loads, okay, so I given first you have to know how to draw ILD for simply supported beam. Okay, you will give most probably for determinate structures only. Okay, we have to draw the ILD for statically determinate structure and indeterminate structure. To draw ILD for statically indeterminate structure, we'll use Muller-Breslau principle. Okay, so concentrate more on determinate structures first. First priority. I'm not saying skip the indeterminate structure. I'm saying give the first priority for determinate structure. How to draw ILD for statically determinate structure, and I given 4 cases, right? Okay, so what are the cases I given? Okay, just from ILD chapter. Okay, so what are the 4 cases I given? First case is for single point load W. Then second, length of the UDL is greater than, okay, simply I'm writing greater than length of the beam. And what is the case 3 I given? Same, length of the UDL is shorter than, that is less than length of the beam. And fourth case, series of point loads or wheel loads. Okay, series of point loads or wheel loads. Okay, so students, these are the very important topics. Okay, so in ILD, concentrate on this topic only. And in this, very important is case 3, length of the udal is shorter than length of the beam. Okay, and a series of point loads or wheel loads. Okay, so from this chapter I am expecting questions, that is the 2 marks question or 1 mark question from these 2 topics. Okay, actually single point load, no need to concentrate more. Okay, less possibility of asking question from single point load. So or otherwise add this one also. Okay, so concentrate more on these 3 topics. Length of the udal is greater than length of the beam, shorter than length of the beam, and series of point loads or wheel loads. Okay, here I given how to find the maximum reaction RA, RB, and how to find the maximum shear force at the section and bending moment at the section. Okay, so in these 3 cases, concentrate more on how to find the maximum shear force at the section and bending moment at the section. I give a number of cases, right? Finding maximum reaction at support A, maximum reaction at support B, and finding the maximum shear force at the section, bending moment at the section, and absolute maximum bending moment. These are the cases I given, right, in these 4. Okay, so here in these cases concentrate more on how to find the maximum shear force at the section, bending moment at the section, and absolute maximum bending moment. Give the least priority for single point load W. Okay, so these are the very important topics in ILT. And if we ask 1 mark question, okay, that is we will ask, I am expecting how to draw ILD for statically indeterminate structure by using Muller-Breslau principle. Okay, gate people. Right, then after ILD, next chapter is energy principle, right? Okay, energy principle. So in this chapter, what are the important topics? Right, here important topics are how to find the deflection of truss joint. Okay, deflection of truss joint. Here I given 3 cases, right, in this. First one is deflection due to external load. Okay, due to external load. Next, due to change in temperature. Okay, next, due to lack of fit, also called fabrication error, right? Okay, then next, how to find the deflection of rigid jointed frame. Deflection of rigid jointed frame. Okay, right. So concentrate more on these 2 topics. Okay, and here if you see these 3, I am expecting due to external load or due to changing temperature from this topic only. Okay, so here I given again 3 cases. Do you remember the 3 cases? One is finding absolute deflection, that is nothing but horizontal deflection or vertical deflection. Second one, relative displacements of two joints, and third one is rotation of member. Okay, so I am expecting finding horizontal deflection or vertical deflection. Okay, in this, due to external load, find the vertical deflection or horizontal deflection due to changing temperature and due to lack of fit. Okay, and the deflection of rigid jointed frame. Here just concentrate how to find the vertical deflection, horizontal deflection and rotation also. Okay, so these are the important topics in energy principle chapter. Okay, then after this, what is the next important chapter? MDM. So what is MDM? Moment distribution method. So in moment distribution method, okay, analysis of continuous beams or rigid jointed frames. Okay, but remember students, you won't ask sway frame. Okay, you can expect analysis of rigid jointed frame, that is non-sway frame. Okay, so only one topic, that is how to analyze, that is nothing but how to find the moment. Okay, how to find the moment and how to find the support reaction. These are the important topics in this chapter. Okay, so here concentrate on continuous beams, okay, analysis of continuous beams and analysis of non-sway frames. Okay, so I am expecting from these two topics. Okay, the next, if you come to next one is cables. So what are the important topics in cable? Only one topic is there, that is you will give unsymmetrical cable subjected to multiple concentrated loads. Okay, generally you won't ask for single point load. Okay, so two possibilities are there. Okay, in cables, given cases, right? First, cable subjected to UDL, cable subjected to UDL, okay, and point loads. Okay, so in these cases, how to find the support reactions? Okay, and if we ask possibility of asking tension in each and every segment. Okay, so only topics, how to find the support reactions, okay, or how to find the tension in each and every segment. Okay, then if you see the three-hinged arch, in arches, concentrate on three-hinged arch. Okay, concentrate on three-hinged arch. So here, same thing, how to find the support reactions, and how to find the normal thrust, and next radial shear. Okay, then bending moment. So these are the important topics in three-hinged arch. So analysis of three-hinged arch is very simple only, right? Because it is statically determinate structure. So problem with two-hinged arch only, because to analyze the two-hinged arch, it will take more time because it is statically indeterminate structure. Okay, then if we ask any question from two hinged arch, a given standard derived formulas, right? Try to mug up that standard derived formulas directly. Don't do any derivation or integrations in examination. It is waste of time. Okay, so these are the important topics. Okay, then after this, okay, I given two more important chapters after this, that is static indeterminacy and kinematic indeterminacy. From these two chapters, possibility of asking 1 mark question. Okay, so in static indeterminacy, how to find the DS for hybrid structure? Nothing but with internal hinges, and kinematic indeterminacy also with internal hinges sufficient. Okay, so students, these are the preparation strategy. But students, first concentrate only on these topics. I am not saying other topics are not important, but 90% you will get the question from this topic only. Okay, so students, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Okay. Now, students, first revise class notes. Okay, just revise the class notes. After class notes, next solve the previous gate questions. Okay, previous gate questions. Then third is test series. So this is sufficient for gate exam. Okay, for this subject. No need to refer any textbooks, please. It is a waste of time. Okay, if you preparing for gate from last 2-3 years like that, then you can refer extra materials also. But I won't suggest any extra material initially. Okay, so only class notes and solve the previous gate questions, and ESE test series is compulsory. Why I am saying test series is compulsory? Because after completion of class notes and previous gate questions, you will know where you are doing mistakes. That you will know if you write the test series only. Okay, and you will learn some, you will see the different questions also in test series. Okay, so class notes, previous gate questions and test series question. This is sufficient for any competitive exam, not more than this. Okay, right. Now if we come to engineering service, IS people. So students, IS people, there is no option because this is the very important subject for IS people. Okay, so you can expect 8 to 10 questions. You won't give from one chapter, maximum you will give only one question generally. Yes or no? Okay, right. Here how many questions, how many chapters are given total? Total number of chapters are 12. It means you can expect question almost from all the chapters. But for IS people, here you have to concentrate more on theory, concepts. Okay, so 80% theory questions and 20% is numerical questions. Okay, why here 20% is numerical? Because calc is not allowed. Okay, so otherwise give the priority 50-50. Okay, for GATE people 99% numerical, only 1% possibility of asking theory question. But in IAS both are important, numerical questions and theory questions. But compared to numerical you will see more number of theory questions only, 60-40 otherwise. Okay, 60% theory question and 40% numerical questions. It means, so for IAS people each and every chapter is important only. So I can't say these are the very important chapter for IAS. No, each and every chapter is important only. For GATE we can say, because hardly you can expect for GATE 3 to 4 questions. 3 to 4 questions. But we have here 12 chapters we have. So you won't give the 3 to 4 questions from all the chapters, right? It is not possible in GATE, but it is possible in IAS. So this is the reason IAS people you have to concentrate on all the chapters, because theory points also important. Okay, and how to prepare for IAS, sir? Same thing. First class notes, after that then second revise the previous IAS questions. Okay, but students don't touch conventional questions here first, because after prelims then there is a mains, right? Okay, so first complete the prelims part. So don't try to solve the lengthy questions, conventional part. Okay, so do you want to ask anything, students? Okay, so this is the preparation strategy. Okay, so in next session we'll see the important questions from this topic. From important topics I'll give few important questions. Okay, so shall I end the session, students? Venkat, just now I told how to prepare for GATE. Yeah, just now I told, okay, how to prepare for GATE. Just to concentrate on numerical questions only. Okay, and just now and given important topics also, from this topic only you will get the questions maximum. Okay, Venkat. Right, students. Okay, so in the next session we'll meet with important questions. Okay. Okay, sorry sir, I joined late. Okay, no problem, you can see this video. Okay, right. Thank you, students.